society. Naturally, we divided along tribal lines, along regions, along district, and so on. How another constructs now in people that use for go into their various political parties there, especially APC and SLP. When election they come, we can predict almost if now their constituency election they go by. For say, all the Asuna APC get for winning and APC stronghold it. All the SLPP stronghold it. That na recipe for division and chaos. Because once the SLPP stronghold, you APC, you want for can pull name, believe me, they not agree. They will affect you all kind of way. Equally so if now APC stronghold, we see SLPP, they can't infiltrate, then they do that, they will affect you. How we go avoid that one day? Now through the PR. Today you see SLPP, it gets seats there in Waterloo. It gets seats there in Falaba. All of the structures they are so born out of them thing they are alien to us. But yet still we go use them because we don't get alternative right now. But how we go manage for use them, study them, and adapt them to our own system, let us serve we better. Not so for candidates, you throw away this, you bring down it, you throw away that one day. It's not going to work. We as SLPP, people that don't govern, they don't lead to war and destruction for 11 years. Now we can't settle down. We don't bring institutions then back. No, we move forward.